What's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the drop. So in today's video, we're going to finish installing the upper and lower control arms, drop spring, drop spindle, and the front shocks. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do so. It'll help on my channel a lot. And hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get it. Alright guys, time to put the upper control arms. I didn't tighten these bolts up because I want this to move freely. Once I get done with the uppers, the spring, and the drop spindle, then I'm going to tighten these up, torque them up. Same thing with these, both sides. Alright, so I'm going to start putting the shims back in there and start installing the upper control arm. Alright guys, those are done. Got my upper and my lower control arm. Got my shims in there. I'm gonna give them a little touch-up paint after I get done, especially on the bolts here. Strip all the paint off of it. Don't matter, I can just clean that up, give it a little touch-up and make it look nice. And now I'm gonna grab my spring and my drop spindle and get that installed. Alright guys, for the torque specs on these bolts, for the lower control arm, for the U bolts, they're anywhere from 65 to 85 pounds. And the upper control arms nuts up here, these two right here, are 70 to 105 foot-pounds of torque. And then for the rubber bushings, for the lower control arms, it's 115. So yeah, for the torque for the bushings, since they're brand new, it's 115 foot-pounds of torque on both sides. And the upper castle nut and the lower castle nut, it's 65 foot-pounds of torque. Drop this baby down. Alright guys, so all I gotta do now is just install the front shock on the driver's side, and then I'm gonna start the passenger side, and I'm gonna put that one in time lapse. Alright guys, so this shock's not fitting in here, so I gotta open that gap down here to make this fit, and then I can install it. There you have it, man. Alright, I'm done with this side. Installed. Now I'm gonna go to the passenger side and get started. Alright guys, so I got the passenger side done. Got the shocks installed, the upper and lower control arms, drop spindle, the spring, everything installed. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna start greasing the upper and lower ball joints, and then next I'm gonna start installing wheel bearings on my rotors. That'll be next. Thanks for watching part 3 of the drop. Part 4 coming soon, so please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified. See you on the next one.